Okay guys, so we've made it into this tunnel. With a lot of people today guys, so apologies for the echo. We are down a tunnel. Yeah, we've got chalk. Goes down that way. That's just the end of that. Matthew Williams from the Secret Vault in front of us. Oh, you're catching your head.
Trouble is, you know, fingers crossed there's no shutter lens. Can you have a look, see if there's any crap on the front or back lenses of that?
Spider on it.
Yeah, not just spider.
Yeah, I think it's alright.
What's the trouble being torn from a 360 camera?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it?
No, that's the end.
Small barrels and stuff.
Most of these are sealed off.
Another thing on the floor. Bit of a collapse. It's the end there.
Now, it goes further that way than it should. So it does go further.
Oh, okay.
It does go further.
Cool.
And there's a wall that's been built here, which might be a walkway from the street, so this is probably like the steps.
Oh, yeah, probably.
It's probably the steps. I wonder if you can tell.
Yeah.
It's different because it's got these as well, which make it look a bit different. These curves.
Oh, yeah. Oh. We're down. We're here.
Did you turn right or go forward?
I don't know where you are, so I think you're just here.
Yeah. Right, so mark that wall.
Did you go down there?
Yeah, we went down there and then turned right.
Okay, right, stay there and lean down there.
Okay.
That's going to short.
Yep, okay.
Okay.
Just the other guys making sure they know where they are. Don't want to get lost down here. It's really late, it's about 3 AM guys. Just the end there. All the bits sticking out of the wall where all the benches used to be. Just make sure the other guys know where we've gone. Yeah, I'm good, thanks you.
Yeah, good.
Oh, some rubble to get over.
Toilets and they Oh my god, that's amazing. Right, so this place is like well uneven, Jesus.
Another entrance point, but been blocked up.
We've got a, oh, another
Blocked up.
yeah, another access point block, guys. What is that?
I have no
A
idea.
box or something?
Possibly, or a light.
Jesus. What does that say? Right.
Oh,
This place is take what? If we're not careful, we'll get lost. Ashe, are you marking all the walls, darling? Are you marking the walls?
I am on the wall, yeah.
Good, thank you.
don't want to get lost down here, guys.
I can't believe this is my first overnight challenge. Brilliant. In the band and World War II bunker. Absolutely knackered. I've done a long shift today. I'm a chef. I don't know if you guys know that, my subscribers, but I'm a chef.
Another entrance there.
Yeah, another one there. I feel like we're just going around in circles, but I know we're not. We're so...
Watch you don't trip anyone. Them guys.
Jesus.
Oh, I think it was.
That's where we've just been, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it was Ashe walking over that stuff. Exit.
Yeah. Oh, so we have gone in a circle. Oh my god. Jesus, look at that switch. My god, that's old. Why? Look at that.
Bricked up
Oh my
wall.
god.
Probably was one of the main entrances.
Yeah, that was more than likely an entrance. Yeah. Wow. You alright?
Aye.
Yeah. Getting that HD?
Of course.
Yeah. It's going to be a lot more HD. But thank you.
I'm so lost.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie, I feel like I'm getting vertigo. Right, they're saying out that way, but I'm not listening to that. Oh, shit.
So,
That's the crossover, that's the extra bit. Beyond that, then you end back in the main bit.
oh, okay.
Back to the main bit, yeah?
Yeah, look at all this.
Yeah, that's crazy that it's all actually growing through. That is actually mad. This would be great for vocals.
Yeah, it would.
God, it sounds like voices everywhere. It sounds like they're down
Is this
there.
belonging to anybody?
Sorry?
Is this belonging to anybody, all this stuff?
No.
Somebody's,
Oh, someone's left
Yeah,
all
that was a
there.
bit odd, yeah.
yeah,
stuff
somebody's left
down
this
there.
stuff and tools and
Tape
all sorts of
measure.
stuff.
Tarpaulin as well. It's a bit crazy, isn't it?
IKEA washing bag.
There's the
There's the ladder, yeah.
we've obviously come around that way.
I think we've-
got stairs.
Yeah.
Watch the pipe hanging from the wall.
That's been smashed, so that's obviously thrown out. So when we came in,
Recreating that side, so we've done a massive circle.
yeah, no, when I came in, I went that way towards you.
Yeah.
I didn't do the side of it, so it's like this.
Oh, it's really muddy. At least it's just that bit that's muddy.
I think we've done this bit, haven't we? I don't know.
Go left. Can you go left?
No, I think we've done this bit.
Yeah, I think we have.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have. Yeah. Yeah, we've done around this side. This place is crazy. Guys, what I'm going to do as well, for all of my people watching, if I look back at this. Is what I'm going to do is keep upstairs at 9.
So because we've got so many people with us, guys, we're the first team down here. So we're going to go back up and let the other guys down.
Sweet, there's Janine. Hello.
Hey y'all.
How you doing? Alright?
I'm good, you?
Yeah, quite big, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a shoe here.
Yeah.
Look at this old shoe.
Really old shoe, isn't it? It's not a bone there, is it?
I think it is.
It's a bone, isn't it?
Ooh,
Don't know what bone that's from.
I don't know. It's big though.
What's around this bit then?
It leads back to the entrance. Yeah.
Right, take these down.
Yeah, watch your camera. That's it.
Right, let me just move out of the way. Thanks for watching.
So we're going to start heading up now, guys, and let the other team come down. We're with a lot of people today.
Dave, turn your flashlight, please. Dave, turn it towards Matt. Thank you. Get better HDs. That's it, that's perfect. Right, Matt? Yeah, it's a bit of a tight squeeze.
Oh, if I turn that off, do you want me to give that one to you?
Yeah, that's fine.
You got it?
Yeah, got it. Ooh. Easy.
Easy. At least I'm not fat anymore.
Age has gone up, and I think I might be next. Oh, that's well wobbly. Put it. Alright, done.
Kayleigh's going up now.
Oh, just hit my head. Hello there.
Right, that's Kayleigh. My turn now, guys, so I'm going to be turning this off. We're in the second bunker now, guys. This one's a bit crazy. There's 3 sets of ladders to get down.
Be careful coming down, yeah? Yeah. There's a hole down the bottom here as well, so if you're alright, you're alright. So,
Here comes Carl from Dark Arts.
Cheers, man. What the hell have we come to, guys?
I know, it's crazy. Here comes Sam.
Here it is. Casting out now.
What is this place you just brought us to?
This is our secret dungeon.
Yeah, secret dungeon. You think I'm 34, I've been here 34 years, and I have never known you to here. To be in them is amazing. Right, there's a hole here. Right, there's a hole here. Yes, mate. It's a big one.
Mental.
60 to 80 feet. It's high time coming down now.
Yeah. Slowly but surely.
Yep.
Yeah, this is me who doesn't like heights and look at
It's high.
Yeah, man.
All these explorers that either don't like heights or don't like spiders.
Yeah, what's wrong with them?
They're in the wrong game, aren't they?
Who we got next?
Yeah, watch that hole in the floor.
Comes
I
down.
wonder if that was an old well or something.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's weird, isn't it?
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it must be.
Well, I don't know which way people have gone because Matt's gone that way and they've gone that way.
Yes, you know. Sorry, Jen, you don't know where people have gone?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just watch that hole in the floor, Sam.
Okay, those explores.
Oh wow, that would be such a cool shot for you. Holy shit, can we go back up and doing that? Yeah, guys, the restaurant owner was really cool. He was like, oh yeah, I've been down there.
Hi, Jess.
Yeah, he was really nice. He was like, guys, just so you know, the restaurant owner just bumped into him. And he was super cool about it. He was like, look, I've been down there before, but if we go right, it leads us up to the high street, left is the station apparently. So he was really cool about it.
Transition.
So I hope he was actually...
We might be able to get into the disused rail tunnels.
Yeah, he did say something about rail tunnels on the left.
That'd
He
be
did say about
crazy.
that.
Wow.
Yeah.
I told you, man, there's some freaky stuff around
This
here,
is going to
mate.
be a good one.
Right, I need to get this camera on.
Here she comes.
Here comes Jess Explores.
Oh, you're dripping mud in my eyes. You're going to like this one.
Yes. Alright guys, so I've just got into this. We're going to climb up. How many foot would you say that is, guys?
60 to 80 feet.
There we are, 60, 80 feet. It's a massive...
There's a hole there. Look at Jess.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Let's do it. Let's go and see what we can find.
Oh my god.
Well, as far as I know, I thought Matt went this way
I know the others went
and
this
they
way.
went that
Yeah, let's
way.
follow the others.
I'm worried about splitting up.
Yeah, I'm not splitting. Right, we got the chalks. We haven't got the chalks.
Oh, are you
Are
serious?
you joking, Ashe?
We're experienced.
Oh my god.
We've done much bigger places than this without chalk. So
Sam says, don't worry, they're experienced. So if we get lost, guys.
This place is insane.
Look at this, guy.
Oh my god.
Now we can feel you going downhill as well.
My mum's gonna love this. Who's up top? Just Dave?
Yeah, Dave's up top, so he's keeping on the free.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is massive. When you look at it,
Oh my god. You can get lost in the
Wow.
Hey, look at that.
It goes to two staircases that are concrete.
yeah, concrete up top.
Okay. Watch the hole in the floor, guys.
Oh yeah.
Big hole.
Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's like two stairways down there. Like, you got two stairways going into the place.
Yeah, they used to be the main entrances and you could just walk
Yeah.
in, you know.
So that's the hatch we kept exit, emergency hatch in it. Okay,
Yeah, emergency. Yeah.
Yeah, it's insane.
It's crazy,
crazy.
isn't it?
Mad,
Mental.
it's mad. Go check it out.
Worth coming down then?
Yeah, definitely. It's a good spot.
I'm glad you liked it. I'm glad we could get in, mate. So I was
Yeah,
really
yeah.
scared that we weren't going to get in, and I thought, I don't want you guys travelling all this way and up, and I'm going to look like a right old, you know what. So yeah, I'm really happy that it's worked. This is the second one anyway. We've got two more to do, mate. Onwards and upwards, I say, eh?
Alright, let's go and check out these stairs, guys.
We'll check these stairs out. Yeah. I think these are the bits where they used to have toilets.
I can't see.
The toilets sitting here. People can go to the toilet.
Right, guys.
Yeah, I just had no light. I had to stop.
Okay.
I had to stop because I couldn't see.
That stairway is impressive. Shame we can't get up there.
Oh wow.
What was this bit used for then?
These
down here when the bombs used to go.
these would have
Obviously,
been the
these are
main
stairs.
entrances
Wow.
for the people to come down from street level.
Another man on top of that.
Because
Really?
obviously they can't all cram down the manhole.
Yeah. Is there ladders to that manhole?
No, we can drop in.
Oh, okay. Jesus.
Wow. I wonder where all the woods come from.
Right, I don't expect you guys to understand the perspective, but if I just walked up here and turn round, this place literally goes for miles.
Yeah, where?
You get lost, there's no reason to do it. Oh my god, and now it's about, I think it's about 4 a.m. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. Yeah, it is super late.
Stay there, you two, turn around. Does anyone, do you guys want to get in this shot or? Maybe, you two want to get in this photo?
The ceiling's really low actually, considering what it was used for.
Yeah.
Doesn't look on camera, it looks bloody huge on camera.
You
But
can see that would have been a, what, a handrail?
oh yeah, what's that?
There would have been a handrail there?
Yeah, I think the rest of it's on the floor here, look.
Bit of rust. Wow.
So that obviously goes further on, doesn't it?
What's all this? What, the tree roots?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, hey guys.
Hiya.
Hey!
Hiya!
I like this one.
Nice one,
It's
isn't
a
it?
good one, this.
But the fitness though, geez, I need to up my cardio. That nearly killed me.
That's enough at the minute, aren't
It's been blinded.
Well, that was a way through.
Yeah, it was.
It was.
I blocked it up. We were just saying they've got an old handle there.
Yeah,
So I'm
That's
really
what-
interested what's that side now. It's kind of frustrating, isn't it?
up.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, these
so.
are the
Oh, I might have done that
entrances
way.
where they used to mainly come in.
Might have to come back down here with a sledgehammer.
Yeah, might have to.
Look, the rest of the handrail's here on the floor. Not sure where all the woods come from.
Maybe they've tried to board that up there and the wood's shattered through.
I have no idea.
there.
What was your channel called, Tyler?
Mine. Kayleigh Coulston Explores.
Yeah, that one, guys. Like, subscribe.
You heard it, Kayleigh Coulston Explores. Is it spaces in that?
There are spaces, yeah.
Oh my
Just
God.
three little spaces. No, two.
Okay. So don't go for any other Kayleigh Coulston Explores. It's going to be this Kayleigh Coulston Explores.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Right, Living in Urban's got there. Where's it gone?
And disappeared.
I think he's gone
Got
to
the vault
the
going up.
manhole cover.
Yeah.
You can auction pictures of what you like.
Oh, look at
Hey! Work it!
that. Career of the year. Career of the year. Right, I'm going to head back down this way. I don't know about you guys. I'm going to check out the rest of it.
Yeah.
Oh, my HD's dropping. Oh, God. Where is she? No, the camera is dropping. I've got 3 bloody lenses to wipe. Jesus Christ. Don't buy the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a nightmare.
No, I literally didn't, mate.
Right, let's head down this way then. Let's see if we can find.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go down there, yeah.
Getting some good use out of these new boots.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out for that hole on the floor somewhere, Kayleigh.
Yeah, big.
Right, Kayleigh. Is anyone come down there yet? There's 2 of them up there. I thought I was following some people, but no, I'm not so sure.
Just that and Living Urban down there.
Yeah.
Done that?
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah, so it sounded like good, was it?
Yeah, they must have. So you were following someone. Yeah. I just don't know where they've gone.
Obviously, guys, don't forget that hole there.
Where's your house gone? Yeah, it's on this camera. I was like, oh. Right, I'm the devil, so...
Where did everybody go?
Come on, mate. Yeah.
Are you good?
Yep.
Yeah? Cool. Happens every time. We're always like, no, we should split up. And then
No,
we're like,
no. Look at this, look at that. It's crazy. It's a big one, this, isn't it?
Amazing. This is just a big street.
Yeah.
Alright, there was our entry. So let's have that. Oh, there's that glow sticks, look. Guys, look, there's glow sticks down there.
Glow sticks.
So other people...
Oh, okay. Glow stick on the wall there, guys. You smell the damp down there.
Yeah, the company with us. Yeah. 2 high streets.
Possibly. No idea.
Oh, it's so wet there. Ew. Oh my god, there's like chairs here.
Just keeps going and going.
We're going up a hill.
Yeah. The amount of people that don't even know this is here.
This is actually crazy.
Look at all the old chairs.
Yeah, look at these guys. They're all chairs and stuff. Brickwork. What's that? Sterling Benson hedges. Oh, that's what I smoke. Wow. Loads of stuff on the floor. That is a car phone, isn't it?
Yeah. Not sure what it is.
All the lads are climbing up the stairway. God, this hill's getting steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
You hear the rumbling above?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Isn't it?
This is amazing.
It's literally amazing. Bloody hell. The steps kill me. Whoa, look, it's just like, oh my god, it's just stairs like nothing.
Yeah. Completely
It's getting hotter up here, isn't it?
blocked up, yeah.
Much hotter. Wow.
Oh yeah, another manhole cover there.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh god, yeah. My god.
Looks really
That's
rusty.
so weird how it just ends. Sorry, I'm just blinding you with my light. Sorry. Oh, look at that, guys. It's incredible.
God, it's really hot.
I really need to my car. And out the other side, probably the same situation, isn't it?
Yeah. It's probably just blocked off.
Might as well check it. Yeah, same sort of thing. So it's blocked off. Oh my god. Those stairwells are so cool. The natural like decay. Incredible. Oh, I found some Corona. Look at that, guys. Yes.
Corona down here.
Is there any chance we're getting Corona?
I hope so.
In dirty tunnels.
I hope that's as close as I'm going to get to it. Meet back up with the guys.
That is mad.
What are they doing? Trying to read the writing?
Here's the old roofs, it's down the end there now. Old I've exploring it, loving it, and the old bunkers.
It's a really old shoe, isn't it? Wow.
I reckon that's at one hand.
So what's actually out this bit then?
Just like a staircase that leads to nothing. They're blocked off.
There we go, you have to squeeze it down, have a little look.
Look at that stuff. Oh, what is it?
Oh, it looks like wet mud.
Is it wet? It is wet, but I don't think it's. I think it's just condensation wet. And my hands have been up for hours.
I'll tell you what that is, guys. Right above here is someone's toilet. Just finished.
That is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That is literally what it looks like.
Yeah, literally, I know you said that. I'm like, oh, great.
The pebble dashed walls. Lovely.
Here we go.
The secret vault.
Secret vault.
Hello.
Secret vault.
Well, I guess somebody's up on top, so if I go and I'll swap out for them so they can come down. Who's up there?
Dave.
Right, okay.
He wants to stay up.
Does he not want to come down?
No.
Okay, well, I can keep him company then.
Alright.
Give you guys some more time.
You're going to bed, mate.
Alright.
Are you going to do your ghost box in there? You're going to give it a spin?
You're going to do those ones.
Awesome. Want to see it?
So now in the third tunnel, guys.
Okay. Oh, do you know what? She didn't give us a fucking flashlight. I've got no torch.
Oh.
No torch. Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, Jesus. I'm not too sure how far I want to go into this.
Is it like
Yeah.
that way?
Same as that.
Stairs, is it? Yo! Yeah, yeah. It's a sloppy boy. Should have brought my wellies. Any questions on your boots? I know this is a ladies' toilet here. Ladies. Nice toilet.
Yeah, it's dried up a bit more down here.
It's just where the thing is.
It's like mixing cake now, though. It's like mixing with
Oh my god.
And there's the gents.
All these seats that they would sit on.
And there's Jess.
Oh my god, look guys, look at that. I feel like LA rugby again. There's gents' toilets. This one.
I had to, man.
Yeah, just be careful, it splashes up everywhere.
You know, when you're the other one, you think, look at these little benches.
We're gonna have to take our shoes off. Yeah. I think so.
So this is the other tunnel that we saw them come in, and we haven't seen this one. This is a rare one, this one. This is a real rare.
Yeah, I don't think many people come in here because of the mud.
Ooh, there's water now. What's this?
What's that, mate?
Oh, skins, man.
I'm debating this one.
Yeah, that's
Worth it.
How much further does it go?
Right, guys. Are we going to do it? He's rolling his trousers up. Getting ready.
I don't really want it naked out in like the centre of town, so.
Yeah, well, you could just all strip off and run through.
Oh my Jesus Christ, that's cold!
You know, these boots are still surprisingly waterproof.
Oh my God, there won't be a minute, they're over my boots.
I can't believe it.
There's all this stuff on top of it.
That is,
That is rancid, man. Yeah, Yo, watch this
My
hole.
toes are getting wet
Oh my
now.
god. You're going to come down and there's a massive hole there.
that is dangerous.
I'm going to try and take this steps over.
Oh my. Yeah, fair man. This is one of the bigger ones.
That's another entrance. Big don't stand there. We should try and leave that way, man.
Yeah.
Don't stand there. Entrance back there. Look.
Jess okay? Jess behind you.
Trying to find the showers and
Acid level. Excellent.
What?
Bench broke.
Yeah, man. Before someone the hole there.
No.
Jess, I'm going to walk on that bench. Just come off that.
Yeah, come off the bench.
Just commit. Your feet away. We got socks in the car.
You're right, Jen, you haven't hurt yourself.
No, I'm not hurt.
Yeah?
Just
What's that
wet.
hole there, Jess?
yeah.
More worried about the fact that I'm reading acid levels and my feet are like slightly burning and I don't know if it's cold anymore.
Oh, it's cold.
Is it on tap?
True, yeah.
No, it's straight up saying acid level.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Just get through it. I couldn't read this way.
It's like sulfur or something, man. It's not good.
It's very acid.
Yeah. You could actually like walking into
But watch out for any more holes as well.
Riding your legs a bit. Thanks, Jen.
Why?
It's really good mind to support.
Some of the ladies would.
There it is.
Just to have a really tiny toilet on each bit. And then the gents.
We've got to walk all back through that again.
At least it's a bit dry now, though.
Well, that don't matter, does it? I'm soaking wet now. We've still got to walk back through it anyway.
something, any article from this air raid shelter or commits any nuisance or other therein
A reward of £5. This must be old, man.
in which interferes with the safety or comfort of persons making proper use of the shelter. Special notice, can't really read that. Bed and blankets, etc. for children under 14 years of age may be brought into this tunnel from 7 p.m. onwards.
Wow, that's some serious history, that. Sorry, man.
I'm going to put a picture on. W.H. Robinson, town clerk. What even is a town clerk? Town clerk.
The town. The Bard of Luton.
Oh, you're joking with me, man. My phone went just... Just getting photos, no?
Yeah, I will.
My phone just gave up and just said no.
I've got a photo with you and that.
Oh, legend.
Who's shouting?
Shush, 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 shush. What's that?
Someone shouted.
Oh, shit.
Someone shouted.
Matt!
Oh, that might be Matt.
Where is Matt?
Where
I
is
thought he
that?
came this way, but he might have
Yeah.
took a left.
Mate, it's still on and on, man.
Matt!
I can hear someone talking.
Where are you? You coming back this way? We've gone the other way, mate.
Where did he go then?
Keeps going that way.
He must have gone.
He must have gone
left.
Right, let's go and get Matt.
Did you hear a female's voice just there shouting? No, it must have been you then.
Must have been him.
You and that female voice.
Just your fancy imagination and what really goes on inside your head.
Only for you, Matthew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it's high stress environment.
I find it slightly weird that my feet feel like they're tingling a bit.
My ankles are all like itchy.
Really? Yeah.
I don't know if it's just like my mind.
It could be genuinely really cold, but at the moment I'm slightly thinking this is possible acid.
Just build up on it.
We'll get out of no feet.
They have no feet.
We ain't in chronic pain, so we're fine.
No,
Yeah.
Not yet, anyway.
for now.
I'm starting to feel like my middle toe bit missing, like a bit something popping out.
Till your boots are full.
Weak it is, I'm not coming.
You fools.
You missed the big drain hole, yeah? I don't know where that was.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean you could fall down it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was on the other. That was just if you come in the other side. Yeah.
He's rolled his trousers up.
I could see it, but I didn't realise if you stir up the shit, you could go down it, couldn't you?
Did you notice the big sign that said acid, and then all of a sudden,
There's like acid levels or something.
Bloody hell.
exodized?
Acid.
Acid level exodized, yeah.
Bloody hell.
Was there much down the other way?
It's long.
This way seems pretty long, yeah.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Harry, nice to see you.
Nice of you to come join us on our adventure, mate.
It's pretty much a carbon level at the other end. I'm seeing it. A lot of these.
Just there on the wall.
Street level, there's a bit
Yeah,
of
man.
mud on the one that goes up that way, but the one that goes direct straight on isn't muddy.
I've loaded that one, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
This is very interesting. A reward of £5 will be paid to anyone giving information leading to the conviction of any person who willfully causes damage or steals any article from this air raid shelter or commits any nuisance or other as therein which interferes with children and the safety and comfort of Boris Johnson whilst hacking his proper use of his abuse of power. W.H. Robinson, Kiddie Fiddler.
Matt is the one that tells it the way it is.
Tells it the way it is, that's it. Let's see how far these go then.
Have you been all the way up yet then?
No, it's like here.
All right.
We started hearing voices in the gym.
It's good these little stone things.
Wow, one sec guys, what's this?
Yeah, it's like that. It's like all the
It's like chalk, isn't it? Is it chalk?
Wow.
Slowly.
16, 9, 12,
that was in the last one.
I've got one for you there, Jen, as well.
16, 12, they had different numbers in that.
Crazy, yeah.
So can you, if these here, can you imagine actually how many here?
I know.
70. So they're counting up. But 71 as well. There weren't so many in the last one we went to. They were just like the same number as many times. Just like actually counting up. Oh yeah, calcification. Coming up hard on the surface now.
Wow.
It's obviously where the water's all travelling down from.
Travelling down, isn't it? A big steep hill now.
Yeah, this is quite steep, isn't it? Yeah.
The last one.
Yes, yeah. That was from the corner in the middle section.
The old light shade still up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Original light shade.
At the other end, they've got filters on them, and they're dark red filters.
Oh, right.
So you put a white bulb in it, but it's a red filter to kind of darken it down.
Be dark it down, especially on the stairs, because obviously you don't want the ground level being noticed.
Yeah,
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
Man, this is stairs there, wasn't
Are your feet wet now?
Yep.
So we felt a little sort of don't come any further. That thing. Strange thing to build.
Well, they've tried to stop it from flooding anymore. Maybe to stop the water.
Muddy.
Yeah, that'd be so funny, man.
All the other ones have been, I can see, up to daylight in them so far.
Well, this is a different kind of way. Oh, this is the triangle one. Two probably one.
Yeah, so that's the
So
same
it's
as what came
one.
in.
There's well, but for that too.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah. It's like
Yeah. It's so hot here.
Oh, no, they're the ones that
They're the, yeah,
middle
the triangle, yeah,
middle bit, yeah, that's right.
Project really can be
Voice again, yeah.
Yeah.
Camera seems to be steaming with glasses or something.
Is the other side worth walking down, Matt?
If you want to see the light filters, but it is, it's muddy until you get around that corner where, you know, you said that the ladder went up to the, yeah, there was several ladders up. If you were up the corner there, it flies off pretty quickly. By that point, you're in the deepest bit, I think, anyway.
Is it a mirror image to this?
It is a mirror image, really, yeah.
No, probably
Well, the only thing I can see that's different is the filters on the light bulbs.
I'll probably leave it. Guys, if you're watching the video again, there's filters on the light bulb around the corner from here.
If you want to see the filters on the light bulbs,
Head over to the TheSecretVault. All you got to do, right, is just get a mirror, just hold it next to your screen, and then watch the image in that mirror, and just imagine that you're on the other part. It's a cheap way of extending your bunker explores.
I think these chairs are insane, man.
Stone chairs. I think they're original. Well, some are stone and some have bits of wood between them. But
They all look like they've got bits of wood in them.
Yeah.
some have. And they've lasted longer. Although you sat on them, you might just go through because
Jess and Jenny were fighting on them to the water, and then you snatched it.
straight through it, yeah.
I'm going to go cut a fibre in mine.
Gonna need more light, don't want to fall down the hole. I think the hole was on that side.
And so the start with water now, isn't it? Say this side, it's on that side. The hole.
Where's the hole?
The hole's here.
It's down there, isn't it?
Yeah,
Somewhere.
it's down there.
So where are we?
I'm probably not going to.
What are we doing? Are we going back or?
I'm going back.
Yeah, I might go back as well actually.
Pointless 5 minutes is what trouble.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what those are? Exide is the battery company, like chloride Exide.
Oh, no way.
So those are batteries,
Battery cases.
and those are pieces of lead, and they would have had acid in there, but it's so diluted now. But those are they're like stacks of batteries there, and they put the power in off. And now you're still
Yeah, no. It still works.
Otherwise, flooded here, mate.
Stiff.
What more did you expect, mate? You can't even tell me one's in your garden at the moment.
check up there, maybe asked.
What you want to do up? See if we can go up there.
Is it if it's safe enough? Because we know the other one's safe, but is it?
It's pretty rusty.
It's a rusty boy.
Ninja!
Not today.
That was a wicked reply. Not today. Is that Mickey Mouse?
There's a whole
Yeah,
one
he's been
there.
down to the corner, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh, for God's sake, watch that
The hole.
nasty hole
What's
there.
collapsed?
You know that there's a big hole there somewhere.
Oh, yeah, that shoe's right there. What's collapsed?
No, Mickey Mouse in the corner.
Oh, Mickey. Ah, I was close. Mickey.
Good bit of old graffiti there.
Alright, let's do it, man.
What, you going up?
No, I'm good.
What's down that way?
That's where Matt went. That's just the same as that. Yeah, it's the same as what we just went to.
They're going to do it?
No.
I'm just keep hearing the words, do it.
This is where you start to get a movie.
You know what? I actually think that was my favourite one, just because of that. just because of it. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, now it comes on now.
Oh no, we walk through.
Yeah. Just cleaned my boots off. Now I'm going to get all this stuck to us.
My thoughts about to die.
Show us a roller. I ain't got a torch now either, so.
Guys, hold up a sec. My torch starts to die. These guys don't have one either.
Do you want this one?
Sorry, we keep up.
Yeah, our torch just died.
Yeah, I've got another one here, man.
That's all right, buddy. I'll catch up with you.
Thank you. Yeah, Alan can use this with me. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even lift my feet.
Oh my god. Shoes crazy people.
Look at this. Look at Jess's shoe. Oh my god.
Jess,
Look at that.
Oh my god. Wow.
Tractor's edition. It's not going to get any easier, are you, man? It's good idea. If I follow in your footsteps, John, the feet should just like fit into It's slippier.
Yeah.
Someone's got to do it.
I'm not going, I already fell off the bench.
What's the beam?
Oh, that's so dumb in there.
I don't know why I'm walking through this on the way there. Got to find my old footsteps and I'll be alright.
Oh
Oh my god!
at the same time I couldn't. I was just stuck myself. Oh, this Simmons blood splatter all up me. I was like, no!
Oh my god.
I've done so well. Oh, sorry. Oh no, that was fun.
That was lucky though, that was nearly quick stuck in and onto my block.
Just be careful there, Ashe. She's really thick.
That is just ridiculous.
It's crazy, isn't it? Because they've left that.
I'm gonna get people to put their boots in a Lidl's bag, I think.
Yeah, no joke.
Probably take another one as a minute.
Jesus.
That is just mental.
That's good fun. That was my favourite one.
You're doing all right. How did you manage to get so good?
You should have seen me before.
Thick. It weighed like a ton, and I was scraping it off, and I was walking, and as I was walking later on the flat, I could feel myself sliding off, still tired. There was no one underneath me. I was just slopping along. Yeah, it's rubbish.
Wow.
Oh wow.
How you feeling, Jazz?
Great fun.
I have to pre-wash these before getting them in the wash. Sorry, before getting them in the washing machine.
Yeah. Might be a good idea.
Oh yes, oh my god! We've come out of the form, please!
Right guys, it's the end of the tour. Everyone now being with me today, links will be in their description below. Please go and check them out, have some awesome content, and thank you for watching. Right.
Oh, somebody's up there. Is he holding on? He's holding on.
Right, it's the end of this tunnel, guys. Got to get out now. Everybody that I'm with today, their links will be in the description below. Please go and check their channels out. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, good. Yeah, it was good.